So here's something I bet you didn't know about your X1 Carbon. I'm sure you know you can watch time lapses that you recorded on your X1 Carbon in Bambu Studio, right? Now, at first glance, these are great. Takes every other layer, it's a nice little time lapse, gets the job done. But what if it doesn't capture everything? What if you were trying to diagnose a problem? Check this out. Take the memory card out of the X1 Carbon, slap it in the adapter, and slap it in your laptop. You now have access to the full video of what was recorded by going into your IP cam folder and check this out. Just going to pick a random one, double click, and here you have the entire recorded video, not time lapse, the entire video. Now, with this, you can make your own time lapses if needed, or if you were looking for a specific reason why a print was failing or an issue was popping up, you can diagnose it. Real time. Well, maybe not real time, but seeing it without skipping layers and prints and all that stuff. Pretty cool, huh? Bet you didn't know that.